So here is Keeper app. Taxes made magical. It just says uncover tax breaks in file. Keeper is delightfully smart tax filing with built-in expense tracking, automatic write-off detection, and dedicated tax experts who are here to help. Connect your bank, automatic write-off detection, and dedicated tax experts who are here to help. So connect your bank for instant personalization, automatically uncover tax breaks, file with IRS and all 50 states, support V2, 1099 investments and more, 300 plus types of credits and deductions. So yeah, this app is for people who want to get more control of their taxes, because you never know, there might be some deduction, you could have saved some money, and this app automatically finds that, and then so here you can just see like where you can just put some write-offs, and then and this app can just help you out with that, especially with some simpler services, where you don't need to spend like so much time filling all these forms automatically or by yourself. Of course you should probably just reach out to a tax consultant or whatever to get an idea if this app is completely trustable or not, but this is a nice idea anyways. And then as you can see, it's in top charts, and then the main concept is that it's also using AI for that, all these language models. And then to create an account, just use your US phone number, and so that's what it is.